I've been in business since 1996. I've been a plumber here in Sarasota since '76.
I've been with Clay since 2003, and I've been in the plumbing trade since 1977. I am basically stocked for anything that I may run into. If by chance we don't have something on stock, we can usually get it right away.
Mi nombre es Efraín, trabajo para Clay's Plumbing en 2006, tengo experiencia de 10 años. Cuando usted necesite un plomero, llame a Clay's Plumbing.
I treat customers with the utmost respect, and they appreciate that.
Our customers, we get along very well with. We have a lot of repeat calls and recommendations.
We have a lot of management companies that call us up. We just pick keys up, go take care of the job. They're very happy with us. We do an excellent job in cleaning up everything. We do a nice job. That's just all there is to it.